Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14, Factorization, exercise 14.2. Question number 1. Question number 1 है factorize the following trinomials. First part of question number 1, this is A part, is given here. This is given x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. We need to find the factors of this expression. This is trinomials because this is it have three terms, 1, 2, 3. This is a trinomials. Okay, you need to find the factor of these parts. Okay, so you can see here nothing in common in three terms. Okay, so we use the fourth identity. What is the fourth identity? Fourth identity is that x plus a into x plus b. This is equal to x square plus a plus b into x, a plus b into x and plus ab, x plus ab. Okay, so if you compare the given expression to this expression, then you get a plus b. A plus b is equal to 5 and a into b is equal to 6. Okay, if you find the value of ab, then we get we find the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, so here you can see it means that we find the factor of 6 such that their product is 6 but their sum is 5. Why we find their sum? Because you can see a plus b is equal to 5. Okay, and their product is 6. Okay, so you can write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is the factor of 6 such that their multiplication, their product is 6 but their sum is 5. Clear? Okay, so we can break 5. We can write 5 in the as 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. So let's see how to find factors of this expression x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay, now so here you can write x square plus 5x becomes right here 2x 2 plus 3. This is 5 into x plus 6. Why you break 5 as 2 plus 3? Because you can see a plus b is equal to 5. Okay, because we use here fourth identity x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This is equal to x plus a and into x plus b. If you find the value of a and b, then you can put them, then we obtain the factors of these expressions. Okay, so here we compare and that we find a into b is equal to 6. This is constant terms and a plus b is 5. Okay, so it means that we find the factor of 6 such that their product is 6 but their sum is 5 because a plus b is equal to 5. This is clear now. So we break. So 2 3 are 6. You know very well. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Their product is 6 but their sum is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. For this you break 5 as a 2 plus 3. This is clear. After this we use here distributive law. Distributive law of multiplication over addition, distributive law of multiplication over addition. So what is the distributive law of multiplication over addition? In distributive law of multiplication we can write a plus b into c. So this is equal to a into c plus b into c. This is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay. So for this, if you multiply and this law, distributive law of multiplication over addition from here, then we get, we write here x square as it is, and here we get plus and 2 into it becomes 2x according to this law, distributive law of multiplication over addition, plus 3x, and we write plus 6 as it is. This is clear. Now after this grouping it, we take in each group 2 terms. So first 2 terms we make first groups, and last 2 terms we make this is second groups. So you can write it x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x. This is first groups, okay, plus 3x plus 6. This is second groups. Clear? And now after this we observe here what is the common between first groups. So if you are unable to take common here, so you can express it like this: x square, you can write it x into x. This is clear. Now 2x we write it also 2 into x. So here you observe that x is common between them. X is a common between, and then you take common x. If you take common x here, so we have in first terms x, we write here x and we write plus as it is. After this in second terms we take common x, we have here only 2, so we can write here 2. This is clear. Now this is plus. Okay. After this, what is common in second group? So you can see in second group have 3x plus 6. So first 3x and 6 we express as the product of irreducible factors. Okay. So we write here 3x is equal to what? You can express 3x as the product of irreducible factors. This becomes 3 into x. Okay. Now 6 is equal to what? 6 is equal to, you can write 3 into 2. So in this way you can see here 3 is common between them. In second groups 3 is common between them. If you take common 3, then you will get here x and here 2. So after taking common 3 in both terms of second groups, so here in place of 3x, after taking common 3, we have here x, and here write plus as it is. After taking common 3 in 6, we have here 2. Okay. So now it becomes first terms, this becomes second terms. This is clear. After this, you observe here what is common from both terms. Obviously, you can say that x plus 2 is common in both terms. What is common in both terms? X plus 2. So if you take common x plus 2 from both terms, so here we take common x plus 2 in both terms. So here we have x and here we have plus 3. So we write x plus 3. Okay. So student, in this way you can see here we find the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6. This is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is clear. Student, I hope all of you understood these questions. In these questions, first we break middle terms, or first we observe the constant terms. What is constant term? Constant term is 6. The sign of constant term is plus, so, and the coefficient of x is 5. So first we find the factors of constant terms such that their product is 6 but their sum is 5. So you can break, you can write here 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here we break it 5 as in 2 plus 3 into x. After this we use here distributive law, multiplication over addition, and then it becomes 2x plus 3x. And after this we grouping it, first two terms we take first groups and last two terms we made it second group. And we can see here in first group x is common. After taking common it's become x plus 2, and in second group are 3x plus 6. So again we take common 3 in second groups, then we have 3 into x plus 2. After this you can see here x plus 2 and x plus 2 both have common between them. So after taking common x plus 2 again, then we get here x plus 3. So in this way you can see x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is the factors of given expressions. Now the B part of question number first is that x square minus 9x plus 20. X square minus 9x plus 20, this is trinomial. We need to find its factors. Question number 1 is given, find the factors of following trinomials. Find the factors of following trinomials. Yeah, you can see factorize the following trinomials. And in B part, this is given that x square minus 9x plus 20. So let's see how to find, how to solve the B part, how to find the factors of B parts. Okay. So in B part, this is given x square minus 9x minus plus 20. In this part also we use the fourth identities. This is B part. This is given x square minus 9x plus 20. We need to find the factorization of this expression x square minus 9x plus 20. So we use here fourth identities. What is the fourth identity? Fourth identity is that x square plus a plus b into x plus a dot b is equal to x plus a into x plus b. This is clear? Now, if you see, this is constant terms, this is AB is also constant terms. A into B, this is equal to what? This is equal to 20. And A plus B is equal to minus 9, you can write in 9. This is clear? Now, so here, you find the factor of 20 such that their product is 20 but their sum is 9. Okay. So for this, you know very well, you can write 20 is equal to what? 20 is equal to 10 into 2, but their sum 10 plus 2, this is 12. This is not correct according to our questions. Their sum will be 9. So if you take 20 is equal to 4 into 5. This is also factors of 20, and their sum is 4 plus 5. It becomes 9. Okay. So you can write here x square minus 4 plus 5 into x plus 20 without addition. This is clear. After this we can take common. After this, if you use here distributive law, multiplication over addition, then we get. What is the distributive law of multiplication? Distributive law of multiplication. Multiplication over addition is that, okay, this is equal to A plus B into C. This is equal to, this is law of multiplication. This is distributive law of multiplication over addition. This is equal to A plus B into C is equal to, you can write A into C plus B into C. This is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay, now, so according to this law, distributive law of multiplication over addition, we can write here x square minus 4x plus 5x plus 20 without addition. Now, you open these brackets. When you open these brackets, then you get x square minus 4x minus into plus, this becomes again minus 5x plus 20. Okay, so you can observe here nothing is common between all four terms. Okay, so for this, first we make a group. Okay, so first two terms we make first group, and last second two terms we make second groups. So you can write here x square minus 4x, this is first group, minus we take here, so 5x minus 20, this is second group. Okay, this is clear. Now, after this we take common. What is the common between the first two terms, last two terms, first group and second groups? For this, how can you find common? So you can see here this is x square minus 4x. What is the common between them? So first you write it like this. X square you can write x into x, and 4x you write also it x into x, 4 into x. 4x is equal to 4 into x. This is clear? Now, so we can write here 4 into x. So you can see here we have x is common between both terms. After taking common, we have x and here 4. So you can write here take common x in both terms, and here we get x, you can see, and here minus after 4, after taking common x. Okay, now this is minus. What is the common between them? So 5x. 5x you can express it as a product of irreducible factors. So it becomes 5 into x. 5 into x. And 20, what you write? 20 you can express 20 as a product of irreducible factor 4 into 5. This becomes 5 into 4. So here you can observe that 5 is common between them. 5 is common between them. After taking common 5, we have, after taking common 5, we have here x, you can see here, and minus, this is 4. You can write here 4. This is clear? Now, so it's become first term, this becomes second terms after taking common. So what you see here, you can see here in both terms. What is the common between them? Again, obviously you can say x minus 4 is common between them. Here you can see x minus 4, x minus 4. If you take common x minus 4 in both terms, in first terms we have x, and in second terms we have minus 5. Okay, so now we are going to take common x minus 4 in both terms. So after taking common x minus 4, in the first terms we have here x, and in second terms, because we take this common, so we have here only 5. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now you can say, in this way you find the factors of x square minus 9x plus 20, this is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 5. This is clear? Okay. Now So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, third part, or you can say C part of this question number 1. Question number 1 have factorize the following trinomials. The third part is given x square plus 2x minus 36. Okay, what have been third part? Third part have, you can say C part, x square minus plus 2x minus 63. So let's see how can we find the factorization of C part of question number 1. This is given x square plus 2x minus 63. Okay, now and student, I hope all of you know how to find the common factors of two terms or two or more terms. Okay, so this is C part of question number 1. This is given ax square plus 2x minus 63. Okay, so if you compare it in fourth identities, ax square plus a plus b into x plus a into b, this is equal to ax plus a into ax plus b. This is clear now. So you find that a into b is equal to minus 63, as you can add 63, and a plus b, this is equal to 2. This is and this is. Okay, it means that we find the factor of 63 such that their difference is 2. Why we take the difference? Because you can see here the constant terms are negative sign. So we find the factors of 63 such that their difference is 2. Okay, because here a plus b is equal to 2, because 63 made by a into b. Okay, so a into b is equal to 63, so a plus b is equal to 2. It means that we find the difference of a into b, then we get 2. Okay, so you can write here 63 becomes 7 into 9. This is equal to 63, but their difference is also 2. Okay, difference is 2. Also you can write add up the factors of 63. 63 is equal to 21 into 3, but their difference is not 2, they are 18. Okay, so we neglect them, we use 63 is equal to 7 into 9, and their difference is 2. This is clear now. So we can express 2 is 9 minus 7. Okay, so we can write it x square minus plus 9 minus 7x, this is equal to 2, 7x minus 63. Okay, after this we using the law, distributive law, multiplication over addition. So according to this law, we know we get a plus b or a minus b into c, this is equal to a into c minus b into c. This is a distributive law of multiplication over subtraction, not addition, because here you can see this is minus signs. Okay, so here you apply distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So it's become x square plus 9x minus 7x minus 63. After and this we making group it. So we making group first two terms and last two terms. So this is equal to, we can write here in first group x square plus 9x. In second group, if you take minus common, then it becomes 7x plus 63. This is clear now. So here you can see what is common between them. Obviously you can say x is common between them. So we write here x. X take common, then here you get x plus here you get 9 minus. What is the common in second group? So you can say in second group has 7 common because 63 is equal to, we can write 7 into 9. Okay, and 7x also is equal to 7 into x. So you can say 7 is common between them. So after taking 7 common, we get here x plus 9. Okay, so what we observe here? You can notice that in both terms, this is first term and second terms, x plus 9 is common. If you take x plus 9 as a common, then you get in first terms x and in second terms minus 7. So you can write x minus 2. So you can see that the factors are the factorization of x square plus 2x minus 63, this is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 7. Okay, so at last we can write x square plus 2x minus 63, this is equal to x plus 9 into x minus 7. This is clear? So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now the last part, D part of this question number 1 is that y square minus 16y minus 105. We need to find the factor of these expressions. Okay, so let's see how to find the factor of D part of question number 1. This is given here. In question number 1, this is given factorize the following trinomials. The part D is given y square minus 16y minus 105. Clear? So again over here we compare it. The fourth identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus 2 plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So we obtain the a into b is equal to 105 and a plus b is equal to 16. Okay, it means that we find the factor of 105 such that their difference is 16, because here you can see the constant terms have negative sign. Okay, so you can write 105. This is equal to 21 into 5. This is equal to 105, but their difference is 16. Okay, so we can write it y square minus 21 minus 5 into y minus 105. This is clear. After this, we use here the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. Then we get minus 21y minus 5y minus 105. If you open this bracket, then you get y square minus 21y minus this will become plus 5y minus 105. This is clear. After this, we grouping it. Okay, so you can make group first two terms. This is first groups y square minus 21y plus last two terms. We make it in second group 5y minus 105. Clear? So student, you observe here that what is common between them. Obviously you can see here y is common, so you take common y, it's become y minus 21. Clear? Now the term is second terms times second term. Now that this time is second terms to take common. So here you can see what is common between them. Obviously you can see 5 is common between them. So you take common 5 in both terms. Then here we have y, here we have 21. Because you are given 21, 105 is equal to 21 into 5. Okay, so now you notice here what is the common between them. This is first term, this is second term. So here you can see y minus 21 and here also y minus 21. So you can take common y minus 21 in both terms. So we get y minus 21 we take common, Then in first terms here we have y, and in last terms and second terms we have plus 5. So then in this way you can say we find the factor of y square minus 16y minus 105 is y minus 2 into y plus 5, y minus 21 into y plus 5. So at last you can write here, therefore we find the factorization of y square minus 16y minus 105, this is equal to y minus 21 into y plus 5. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.